Good morning, student. After discussing with text wrapping, today we discuss about inserting objects. In addition to graphic images, to add a personal touch to a special message or to illustrate a special features. In the previous classes, we have learnt about how to insert the pictures. But if we want to add the special effects or want to give the special touch to the document or want to set a special message to the document, then we will use inserting objects. In inserting objects, we can embed sound file or maybe even actual file from the other software applications. For example, PDF, spreadsheet, Word, documents and etc. Means what? We can also embed sound files to our document to make it effective, and we can also attach or embed PDF file or Word file, spreadsheet file, any file we can embed in using the inserting objects. So let's start the steps how we can insert an object. First, open a Microsoft Word processor. Then click on Insert tab. After clicking the Insert tab, here is the options of object. So click on Object button. Two options you will get. One is object, another is text from file. If you want to insert text from the file, then just click on the text from the file. But here we insert object, so click on the object button. A dialog box should be appear with two tabs, create new and create from file. So click on create from file tab. Now you get here options. Now click on browse options. If you want to open any document, I'm opening. Click on insert, then select link to file or display as icon. Once you click the display as icon, your file will be inserted at here, and after inserting, if you click it, double click on it, you will directly move to the file which you have inserted. Now see, this file will be inserted and you are directly moved to the here. So this is the steps of inserting the objects. Thanks for watching.